Is your Siemens EQ6 showing a filter warning? Or has the coffee flow slowed down? It might be time to replace or clean the water filter. Let's walk through the process step by step. By the end of this video, your machine will be running smoother and tasting better. Step 1. Turn off the machine and remove the water tank. Lift the tank out of the machine. If a filter is already installed, you'll see it locked into the bottom of the tank. Step 2. Remove the old filter. Twist the filter counterclockwise and pull it straight out. If it's been in there for over 2 months, or if the water flow has slowed, it's time to swap it out. Step 3. Prepare the new filter. Use a genuine INTENZA or BRITA filter designed for Siemens machines. Submerge the new filter in cold water and let it soak for 5 minutes to release trapped air. Then shake it gently to remove bubbles. Step 4. Insert the new filter. Push the new filter firmly into the socket and twist it clockwise to lock it into place. It should feel snug and sit flat on the tank floor. Step 5. Reset the filter in the menu. Turn on the machine. Go to Menu, Settings, Water Filter, and confirm that a new filter was installed. This restarts the internal filter timer. Still getting flow issues or taste problems? Run a full rinse cycle or check for mineral buildup. We've linked Siemens support in the description if you need more help. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick fixes. Got another EQ6 issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature yours next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy that fresh, filtered cup.